Open the Discord application on your PC. Don't go to Discord web, use Discord application. Click on user settings. In this left-hand menu, scroll down and click on advanced. And here you will find hardware acceleration. So we have to disable hardware acceleration for our Discord. So click on change and restart. Now go to the server, in which server you want to watch movies with your friends. Now join in a voice channel. Once you successfully joined in a voice channel, now go to your browser, in which browser you are watching movie. Don't minimize the browser. Open the Discord app and click on share your screen. And here select application. Under application, select your movie tab and click on share screen. And then we can see the movie is added in my Discord, and click on stream settings. And here make sure to check this option, share stream audio. So this will stream the movie with movie sound. Then click on stream quality and you can adjust your stream quality here. Now your server, all friends or members will be able to see or watch the movie at the same time. So that's how you can actually watch movies with friends in Discord.